Hi, I'm Jason Owen. I'm with Pallmann. I'm a territory manager. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about today is P104 Turbo. P104 Turbo is a roll-on vapor retarder. So one of the things that I love about this is it is by far one of the most universal products that we have in our system. It attacks moisture at the lowest level. So one of the best benefits of this product in attacking moisture at the lowest level, say you're working with a floating product or you're working with an LVP product or something of that nature that are quote unquote waterproof, your installation recommendations is to have some type of moisture protection, if you will, underneath that floor. Most commonly, the recommended manufacturer's recommendation in regards to that is going to be a 6 mil plastic or a pad that has like a side of visqueen or something like that on one side that is protecting the material. That is great for protecting material, but you really haven't addressed the moisture issue. And so what that does is that it traps the moisture, protects it from the material, but it traps it because it's still coming up from that substrate. And so trapped moisture turns to mold. We all know this. And so using a product like this, actually adhering it to the substrate will actually attack moisture at its lowest level, which is the key to actually moisture control. So that's one of the great things about this product. It's also translucent. So it is red in nature, but say you're doing designs or anything like that nature, you're chalking your lines. It actually will lock those lines in. You can actually still see them once you've applied the product. So it is a user-friendly product in that regard. We recommend thin to win. You're looking at 500 to 600 square foot. So it gives you great cost per square foot as far as that part is concerned. So one of the differentiating factors as far as this product is concerned that I think is super valuable is how quickly can you get back on it, right? And so you're looking at about a 1 hour dry time as far as your coats are concerned. So say you're working about 1,000 square foot. By the time you get done with that first coat, more than likely your first coat is probably already started to dry of where you started. So you can start, on that second coat. One great thing about this product too is there are others that I know that are on the market that it takes a while for you to be able to say glue as far as put adhesive on top of to start your installation. Once this product is dry, you can start gluing to it. So that is a super great benefit in the fact of time is money. We all know it in this industry. And so being able to get back onto a product as fast as possible and start your installation is key in staying on timelines and things of that nature. So once this is dried, generally after that second coat, because I know I'm putting a wet type product on top of it, I'd probably let it dry for maybe 2 hours as opposed to just the one in between coats. And so after 2 hours, I'm able to start installing on top of it and rocking and rolling. It is such a versatile product. 2 coats on concrete will take you up to 98% moisture protection, and a single coat only on wooden substrate, whether it be plywood, crawl space, anything of that nature. I'm only putting 1 coat on top of that. That will protect you up to 20% moisture content of those items. So this is a great product. It actually sets the stage for any type of installation. It is one of the cheapest insurance policies that you can incorporate into your system as far as the installation is concerned. Like I said, it sets the stage for a proper installation and gives you that assurance of knowing that you don't have to worry about moisture.